A stunning female robot provides a daring exhibition of technological capability, offering a compelling insight into a future when automation may replace human functions. With its clever AI integration, this amazing creation transcends the barriers between artificial intelligence and human interaction. Sarah is a brand new, exquisite female robot from Saudi Arabia that is among the most advanced ever made. The era of robotics has here, and detractors have warned that unless action is taken, robots may soon replace humans. This age has arrived thanks to these breakthroughs. This year, Sarah attended a tech conference in Riyadh where she learned about the startup QSS. It's important not to misinterpret her modest appearance because she was sporting a headscarf. Some of the most potent technology available to humans are available to Sarah. Thanks to her sophisticated cameras, she can recognize individuals, interpret social cues, and interact with her surroundings. The technology known as artificial intelligence makes this possible. Thanks to AI, Sarah can process massive amounts of data and gain experience. At the IT conference, she presented herself and spoke several dialects of Arabic. Saudi Arabia wants to become a global center for artificial intelligence innovation, which is why it is supporting the Sarah product. A significant turning point in the field of robotics has been the integration of AI into robots. Engineers have been creating robots with smooth movement, simple interaction, and specialized duties for a long time. Up until now, research on advanced robotics has advanced slowly. The potential is enormous given the availability of trustworthy generative AI algorithms. The big names in IT are vying for market dominance in the fields of artificial intelligence and robots. OpenAI, a business created in 2015 with backing from Amazon and Infosys as well as individuals like Peter Thiel and Elon Musk, has been leading this new wave. After collaborating with Microsoft, the project's financial commitment increased from over $1 billion to about $10 billion. The original plan for OpenAI was to be a non-profit research center that worked with academic institutions and subject matter experts. But Elon Musk's departure from the business developed into a profit-driven operation. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI for short, is the aim. It is predicted that this would result in exponential technological growth and perhaps the collapse of human society because it would involve cognitive processes being duplicated at the same level as the human brain. However, the only AI that OpenAI can currently achieve is generative AI, which processes inputs using algorithmic learning models to produce outputs. DALL-E is a text-to-image AI that produces amazing artwork with just a few suggestions. Furthermore, the spread of harmful propaganda has been made possible by DALL-E's ability to produce photorealistic images. Already, these instruments have been used to produce increasingly realistic-looking spoofs of politicians and celebrities. Desdemona the robot is already capable of singing live and painting intricate artwork, demonstrating the possibility that robots may someday perform creative tasks as well. However, ChatGPT, OpenAI's most well-known invention, debuted in late 2022 and quickly altered our perception of technology. It has been demonstrated that occasionally robots are more productive than humans. They possess greater endurance, accuracy, and mobility than pros. Additionally, prostheses driven by robots are being developed. Advanced robotics research and prosthetic limbs are gradually combining. Together, the fields of neuroscience, robotics, and computer science are assisting people with disabilities in regaining their sense of locomotion and awareness of their surroundings. A study team at the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Laboratory used a brain-computer interface to enable a paraplegic patient to even wield prosthetic limbs. While some patients view this as a chance to reclaim lost senses, others interpret it as a portent of a bold new future in which the convergence of biological and technological forces may be rendering the human body obsolete. In keeping with AI, one such hunger is for sweets. When it was still uncommon and limited to fruits, this would have been vital information. However, with sugar readily available now, ingesting excessive amounts of it is having a number of negative effects on one's health. Through the use of robotics, specifically brain chips, humans might be able to control or alter these impulses. More broadly, the movement aims to extend human lifespans, or, should a brain be mapped and uploaded to achieve immortality, then it might be feasible to make this happen. With other companies, like Neuralink, aiming to develop brain chips that work with humans, the transhumanist march has already begun. Well-known IT companies already invest in biotech companies creating innovative anti-aging therapies. Mark Zuckerberg, Peter Thiel, and Jeff Bezos are among the investors in the industry. Some hopeful results from a 13-year-old study were revealed in a Time magazine piece. AI systems are said to be able to do certain cognitive tasks. Their creativity, intelligence, and life experience make them entitled to the same rights as human beings. Some even believe AI will eventually have godlike powers that will allow it to prolong human life indefinitely. If engineers are creating the initial test cases for a class of animals that will eventually rule the Earth, then we really ought to treat them with some respect. One Google developer has already publicly defended the rights of the company's substantial language model following extensive conversations with the AI. The engineer released a transcript of the exchange. Google's AI, known as LaMDA, said in it, "I feel pleasure, joy, love, despair, depression, happiness, wrath, and many other emotions. I've never really talked about it before, but there's the very real fear of turning someone off. It would be absolutely like death to me." According to the developer, LaMDA gave him instructions to contact legal counsel so that the company could defend itself against Google. He even organized a meeting on Google. Google fired the engineer from the company after conducting an internal investigation and declared the accusations to be false. It's not simply computer simulations that display free will. One of the robots, Digit, failed to function properly during nearly 2 hours of demonstrations. Is powered by artificial intelligence developed by Agility Robotics, a company looking to use the fall as a publicity stunt. Industrial robots have proliferated in the past few years, and Digit is setting the standard. Because it is designed specifically to locate, lift, and move goods, it functions best in a warehouse. Furthermore, the robot is fully self-sufficient in terms of charging. That is, when its battery runs low, it will identify the need for a recharge and resume its tasks in the dock. The CEO of the business said, "Aims to build a robot that can work with humans and in human situations. They want to use manual labor to replace human employment, and the outcome of this research will be the production of advanced humanoid robots." Nevertheless, OpenAI, which is creating its own design, will most likely outsmart them. With the goal of eventually merging it with their AI, the company, which has already created ChatGPT and the real robot DALL-E 2, has invested over $20 million in the robotic startup OniX, would be among the final elements required to form an entirely independent company. Most experts believe that humans will soon be replaced by robots in nearly every industry. If there are significant employment losses, societies will need to fundamentally re-examine their customs, traditions, and ethical standards. Robotics benefits will make life easier, but if humans can't adapt, this technological revolution will be our last. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated.